When I worked in prison, there was a saying that if it wasn't written down, it didn't happen. And documentation was extremely important. And the written word was your word. And it's the same out here, that we need to write things down for them to happen. We need to write our goals down for them to happen. And there were things written down that didn't happen, but they did because they were written down. Do you get what I mean? It's not pretty in prison. There's a lot of power in the pen and who was doing the writing. They could say whatever they wanted to portray how an incident happened or went down, and they weren't questioned most of the time. There's power in the pen, whether it's in the pen or out here using the pen. Write those goals down as if they were in the present tense.